Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Basecamp with Dropbox, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Basecamp with Dropbox, begin by logging into your Basecamp account. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to connect Dropbox. On the project page, locate and click on the Apps option in the menu. In the Apps section, look for Dropbox and click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to the Dropbox authorization page. Here, enter your Dropbox credentials to log in, if prompted. After logging in, Dropbox will ask for permission to access your Basecamp account. Review the permissions carefully, and if you agree, click Allow. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Basecamp. Now, you should see a confirmation message indicating that Dropbox is connected. To upload files from Dropbox, go back to your project in Basecamp. Select the Attach option in any work item or message. Choose Upload from Dropbox from the attachment options. A new window will open, displaying your Dropbox files. Browse through your files and select the ones you wish to attach. After selecting, click the Choose or Open button to upload the file to Basecamp. Your Dropbox files are now successfully connected to Basecamp. You can easily manage and share your Dropbox files within your Basecamp projects. That's it. You have successfully connected Basecamp with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.